Hello friends, welcome to Lakshmi Bugga Multiple Blanks. LPP Assignment Problem UPSC CSE UGPG Maths. These problems will be used in UGPG Maths and competitive exams. How to solve in a short way? Okay, here the question is M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 are known as missions. 5 missions were given and O1, O2, O3, O4, O5 are known as origins. 5 origins were given. This is a squared matrix. 5 by 5 matrix. Here the values 24, 29, 18, 32, 19 until so on 24, 27. These are the values given. This is the question. Now find the second table for this question. How to find the second table? Let me take the first row, that is origin. Here we need to find the answer which machine is to be assigned for this O1, O2, O3, O4, O5. So we need to find. For that we are doing first row operations, row calculations we can say. After that we go for the column operations. First go for the row operations. In the first row, select the first row in a order. That is, in first row you have how many elements? 24, 29, 18, 32 and 19. And this minimum element is 18. Second row minimum element 17. Third row 16. Fourth row 18. And fifth row, that is 16. Select the minimum element in the first one. Subtract all other elements in this row and write here in the second table. See, 18, 24 minus 18, 6, 29 minus 18, 11, 18 minus 18, 0, 32 minus 18 and 19 minus 18, that is 1. Similarly, do the same procedure for the remaining rows. That is, in O2 you have 17 is minimum, subtract the 17 minus 17, 0, 26 minus 17, 9 and 34 minus 17 till that fifth row. 16 minus 16, 0 and 28 minus 16, 12 and so on. So this is the second table. Okay. Now from the second table we can form the third table. In second table we did by the row operations. Now in third table go for the column operations. In column 6, 0, 11, 4, 12. Minimum is 0. So this entire first column as it is, that is I am writing this third, form a table like this. First column 6, 0, 11, 4 and 12. Now second column also you have a 0. So the same values you will get by subtracting from 0. Third column also 0, 17, 12, 10, 15. In fourth column the minimum element is 1. Now subtract this from all other elements. 14 minus 1, that is 13, 4, 0, 11 and 7. Now fifth column also 1 is minimum, that is 0, 3, 8, 5 and 10. Okay. Now here 5 origins and 5 missions. Now do for the assignment. First, see how many zeros in the first row? 2 zeros are there. Second row you have 1 0 and similarly third you have 2 zeros, fourth only 1 0, fifth only 1 0. Column wise, see, first column 1 0, second column 3 zeros, fourth column single 0 and fifth and sixth single zeros. Now here the process is first cut the row or column which have more than 1 0. See here 2 zeros are there in first row and second column you have 3 zeros, more than 1 0. Now cut the column which has more than 1 0. Now I am crossing this column. Okay. Now after crossing this, now cut this row because it has more than 1 0. Okay, now search for the zeros. Here 1 0 first column and fourth column. Okay. Now cut this row which has a 0 and this column which has a 0 again. Now select the minimum element from the uncovered elements. Uncovered elements are 11, 12, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 15, 10. Now from this, all these elements, 4 is minimum. Subtract this minimum element from all uncovered elements and add the same element at the intersection point of the crossed elements. 11 is intersection point, this is the point, 13, 9 and 4. Add this 4 to this 11, 13, 9 and 4 and subtract this element from all uncovered elements and the remaining elements as it is in the next fourth table. Form a table like this. First, this is 6 as it is. Next, 11, 4 plus 11, 15. Because it is intersection point, we are adding 0 as it is. Next, 13 plus 4, 17, 0. Next, 0, 9 plus 4, 13, 17 as it is. 4 plus 4, 8, 3 as it is. Next, 11 minus 4, 7, 0 as it is. 12 minus 4, that is 8, 0, 4. Next, 4 minus 4, 0, 0 as it is. 10 minus 4, 6. 11 minus 11 as it is. 5 minus 4 is 1. 12 minus 4, 8, 0 as it is. 15 minus 4, 11, 7 as it is. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now this is the new table formed. Here again, select the row, either row or column which has more than 1 0. This column, cut this column. Next, 2 zeros are there. Cut this row. And here 1 0 and 2 zeros are there in this column. Cut this column and this column. 17, 3, 8, 4, 6, 1, 11, 6. These were the uncovered elements. Select this minimum element from these values, that is 1. Okay, now form a fifth table. Okay, 1 is added at the intersection point, 16, and 17 plus 1, that is 18, 0 as it is. 13 plus 1 is 13 is, which is as it is. Okay, and 8 as it is. 0, 11, 7 as it is. 13, 0, 0, 0. Next, 6, which is an intersection point, 1, 7, 0, 7, 0, 8. Now 17 minus 1, that is 16. 8 minus 1, 7, 6 minus 1, 5, and 11 minus 1, 10. 0 as it is. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. 6 minus 1, which is 5. Okay. Now, first let me make the assignments. Now each and every row and every column having zeros. Now let me make the assignments. We have to make assignments in such a way that each and every row and every column has a single assignment, and cross out the remaining elements. If not, then go for the same procedure. Let me see. In a row containing a single zero, that is second row single zero. When you are making an assignment is denoted by this box, a symbol, square box. Making an assignment, first row wise with single zero. Second row has single zero, make an assignment. If suppose first row has single zero, you can make an assignment. But here in this problem you have second row 1 single 0. So make an assignment. When you are making an assignment row wise, cross out the corresponding column. This is an assignment, this corresponding column is this, so cross this 0. Now is there any single 0 in row wise? Here this is a single 0 in fifth row. When you are making an assignment row wise, cross out the corresponding elements in this column. Cross this, cross this. Now this is a single 0. Make row wise assignment. Is there any single 0? Then cross it. There is no single 0. Now here there is a single 0. Row wise, cross this corresponding column. Okay. Now here is a single 0. Now let me check. Each and every row has a single assignment. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, and there should not be two assignments either in row or column. There should not be two assignments either in row or column. Now let me find out the total cost M1, M2, M3, M4. Now which machine is to be assigned for which? O1, O2, O3. See here for O1, M3. Okay. O1, M3, O2, this is M1, O3, this is M4, O4, this is M5, and O5, M2. Okay. Now the corresponding cost. What is the cost? See the question. 18, M3 and M1 is 17, and M5 is 24, and next M2 is 16. Now find the total cost. Add these values, you will get is 92. 922 is the total cost. Okay. You can try this by seeing and try without seeing. You will get solution within seconds. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.